It is famous that current affairs you read, you crack the civil services examination. Just not because of that. It enhance your view on your personal, on your professional life also. So current affair is the study of world around us, that encompassing the trends, issues on politics, economics, social studies, and science and technology. Everything that makes a country, that makes our country developing country. So on that basis, we need to not read current affairs, we need to follow current affairs, because of when you are studying, updating on current affairs, it develops your it helps you to make your decisions. It makes you to have a more perfect on your view on some topics, on some discussion about economics, whatever you want,
Okay,
whatever you
Anushka,
like.
we know that current affairs are essential for a country's development.
Development.
So let's talk about such current affairs. As
Okay.
I have seen that in Kedarnath there was a service of helicopter, and seven people passed away just because of the technical fault. So what's your view? I mean, it is a very it is, sir, can I say Char Dham? That is a quote unquote. So it is a one temple from Char Dham, that is quote unquote. So people are dying to go Kedarnath and
Yes,
just
yes.
seek blessings from the Mahadeva. Okay, so if the infrastructure, if the services is going out of hand, it is losing the control. I mean, the manpower is losing the control. So how could it be possible for us to believe in them?
So, well, now the incident has happened, plane crash. Then everyone should leave the airline for traveling.
We know very
It
well
is- is
that
it- it is-
it
is
is
it
not
possible?
possible because it is the fastest transportation of our country, not only of our country but also the worldwide.
Also worldwide.
Yeah. So how do you believe in them? I mean, maybe for 1 month or 2 months, some people will not go. They might get afraid. But after some time, 25 people will also go.
You hear about Uttarakhand? There was a flood
Yeah.
when the Mandir temple is going under the water. It's
Okay,
going
okay, carry
under,
on.
it's going under the water. It's then everyone should not go to the Uttarakhand also.
So it is a question.
Is it
I want
possible?
you to answer.
Is it possible?
Of course, no. Then no. Just I mean, explain why no.
Look, because it's an accidental situation. It cannot our hand also.
Okay, how to prevent these accidents? I mean, this is taking place frequently. Frequent manner it is going. We have seen that Balasore, in the Balasore, that is a plane. I mean, train accident. We have seen that, and now we have seen the plane crash.
Plane
So
crash.
frequently we are facing this situation. Why? We are the citizens of India, and we have the audacity to raise this question, that why is India incapable for to provide our safety to Yeah.
It's not about India is incapable to provide our safety. It's a some exception cases. It's not every day happens that accidents are every day happens in
But
the
in a-
airline or
but-
in the Kedarnath also.
But in a year, we are seeing that so many things are happening. Though we have seen that in 2018, Amphan cyclone happened, Phony cyclone
it's
happened,
not
and that is Yash. So many natural
it's a
calamities.
natural disaster. It's not a
Natural disaster. How can you say man-made things? I
Natural
mean that's I mean that I have forgotten the term. That is that air releases from the ACs and fridge. And
Yes.
chlorofluorocarbon, I have remembered.
CFC,
CFO.
CFC,
Chlorofluorocarbon. That has been man-made things. That AC has been man-made.
It's just because of chlorofluorocarbon Amphan happened.
How can you
No,
say that
phony
we have
happened.
seen that I mean that global warming, and that's all of the thing that
CFC is the reason of global warming. Is not the reason
so
of
that is okay. Global warming is all right.
no, not at all, right? But we are taking some steps about about preventing the global warming. India is always a developing country, and they are taking very much important steps. Accordingly, the problem, natural or communicational, whatever problem faced by India, it's taking steps.
Okay, so my last question to you would be, we have seen that in every jobs, in every position, we have faced the corruption. How to prevent it? I mean, not prevent, but also the level of the corruption will go down. How do so?
I can understand your
It's
questions.
very simple question.
What I
Corruption, you understand?
Yes.
So how to prevent it? I mean, this is going vastly.
So we need to prevent corruptions in a company
In company, you can say, for example,
or in a sector, on a government sector also.
government sector, private sector is also.
So we recently we know that the SSC exam
Scam.
SSC scam, that many
Minute oil to finish the project, to go deeper in a particular thing, to gather information and fulfill your boss, what your manager or your boss wants. So after your hard work, after your perseverance, even if you are not promoted, that is one of the factors, that is corruption or partiality, that can take place. So that is the way you have to think, and you have to say that what is the consequences and how we can prevent it, or can we prevent it?
can
That-
we
that is
prevent
also-
it? Obviously, can we prevent it when we are thinking on the different way in that aspect? Absolutely, then we can prevent it.
Okay.
But when I think I want that is not possible. That I want that no corruption
Okay,
is
unity
happen.
brings victory.
Yes.
Thank you, Anushka.